Hey guys, so I'm here today to do an unboxing of my Apres nail kit. It is the Art Me by Yoko Matsuda. So right now you see me taking off the dust bag that it comes in, and the whole kit comes in this really beautiful patent leather case with a nice handle at the top as well. Very handy for storing all of your goodies that come within it, and also anything else that you may want to store within it. So we're going to open it up here, and you'll find at the top, you'll find an information card. This is in Japanese, I believe. However, there are images on the back that shows you how to apply the nails within this kit. You get your USB cord. This is going to go to the LED lamp. For the nails, for applying the nails, you'll get the pH bonder, dehydrator. You'll also get a nice primer. You'll get the Extend Gel in this really cute gold bottle. And you'll also get a non-wipe top coat. You'll also get a 100/180 grit file. And last but not least, you will get the LED lamp with 6 lights. So here you have the actual nails that come with the kit. I chose the base color sculpted stiletto in medium length. These nails are so beautiful, and I really can't wait to try them out. So now I'm going to show you the colors that come within it. You get 2 pink colors, a white color, and 2 beige colors. I also ordered the sculpted coffin long of the vivid color nails that they have. I actually kind of ordered these on accident because I didn't realize that nails came with the kit. But these are really beautiful, and I'm also going to show you the colors that come within it. You get like a really dark color, a teal, purple, pink, and like a mustardy yellow or orangish color. Very vivid, very beautiful. They also sent me some face masks. I don't know if it's because of what's going on right now or just to have when I do my nails. So right now I am going to take off of my Kiara Sky jelly tips that I applied a couple weeks ago. I love these actually. I love how they look at the cuticle. They're not super bulky, but I'm gonna take these off so that I can try the other nails to show you guys how they work. So here I've taken off all of my nails, and I need to clean around my cuticles. I've already pushed them back and kind of tried to scrape off any of the crustiness of my nails, but being that I kind of had to soak off all of that gel, I have like a little bit of remaining remnants of what was there, so I need to go in and clean that up a bit. So here you saw me use 2 different bits. I'm using a really fine sanding bit and also a medium grit bit to get up all of that crustiness off my cuticles. I've washed and cleansed my fingernails now, and I'm going to go in with the pH bonder to begin prepping my nails for application. So now I'm going to go in with the primer that came with the kit, and I'm going to apply this primer to all of my nails. Now that I've applied the primer and also dehydrated my nails, I am now going to go in with the Vivid Color Long Coffin Tips and start sizing those for preparation. So I'm going to begin applying those to all of my nails. You'll notice that I sized out enough to do both hands, but I end up only doing one hand. So before I apply any of the extend gel, I'm going to buff out the numbers that are on the inside of the nail to also make sure it doesn't show, because I'm not applying a color on top of these nails, but to also give the nail something for the gel to grip to. So here you see me applying the extend gel to my nail bed, and I'm also going to apply a thin coat to the inside of the nail. So here I've applied all the tips on one of my hands, and they came out beautifully. So right now I'm just going to go in with the file that came with the kit. It wasn't my favorite, so I switched over to my nails file, which I love truly. Those files are amazing. The one that came with the kit just seemed like it had this weird coating on it. I didn't like the way it was filing my nails. So after I shape my tips, I'm going to go in with this medium grit bit and kind of shape up my cuticles a bit and get up any crust or gel or anything that may have squeezed out, and to also just kind of shape that cuticle a little more, just so that these don't look like they're press-ons that I just kind of slapped on my nails. So this is an added step that I like to add to these type of tips. You'll see me here going in with some Macart transfer foil gel. Since these are the vivid color tips, I don't want to add any base color onto these tips, but I did want to add a little more pizzazz to it. So I'm just going to go in with this really nice kind of sparkly neon pink color and add some foil to the tips. But before that, we're of course going to buff the surface of our nails to get any of those scratches out so that we have a nice smooth nail. So I've now applied all of the foil to those nails and positioned them in the direction or way that I want them to be on the nails. And of course, after you apply them, there's going to be that little tacky layer. So you do want to go in with some alcohol and kind of clean that up so that when you put your top coat on, it doesn't bubble up underneath, because you do not want that. I've made that mistake one too many times. So just go in and clean up that tacky layer, and then you can apply your top coat. And now you are all done. This is a no white top coat, so you are ready to go right after applying this and curing it in the LED lamp.